Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be me taking you along with me. That doesn't even sound right. Hi everyone, today's video is going to be me basically just cleaning my house, an everyday routine. You know, spring has sprung, or at least that's what the calendar says. Weather outside doesn't always seem to say that here, but whatever. So I've really been doing a bunch of spring cleaning and kind of just deep decluttering in my house. But today's video, you're just gonna follow me as I do what my regular cleaning routine looks like. So I hope that this provides you with a little bit of motivation to maybe kickstart your spring cleaning for your house. And I know that's one of my guilty pleasures. When I'm not feeling motivation to clean, I go and watch a YouTube video of somebody cleaning their place and I'm like, I'm ready to do it now. So please follow along. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also, ring that bell if you want notifications of my upcoming videos. And feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you. Every night before bedtime, I ensure that I start my dishwasher so that I can start my morning out by emptying the dishwasher and having it ready to go for the day for all dirty dishes. Once it's emptied, I load in all breakfast dishes and I move on to wash off the counter surrounding the sink and wash out the sink itself so that dishes that cannot go in the dishwasher, that need to be hand washed, that may not have been done from the night before, or breakfast items can be done at this time. To wash my dishes, I love to use my Miss Meyer's dish soap that you can see sitting there on the kitchen island. Once I have dried and put away all of the hand-washed dishes, I then move on to clearing off the island and cleaning it with my Method Granite cleaner. I will then move on to the other counters, removing the items from the counter to then wash each counter. I don't necessarily pull everything off of the counter every single day, but I do like to do this once or twice a week to ensure that my counters are extra clean. Once the majority of my counters are cleaned, I then use my Method degreaser to clean off my kitchen appliances. I usually scrub every single day my microwave and my cooktop to ensure that any grease spatter or other scum that has accumulated is cleaned off on a daily basis. I then switch up my cleaner to use my Method wood cleaner for my kitchen table and coffee bar. I find that if I use other cleaners, it strips off the finish of my wood furniture. I clean the coffee bar to ensure all coffee grounds are removed on a daily basis. Once my kitchen is fairly tidy, I move upstairs to my bedroom to make my bed and do any final touches that need to be done. Typically, there's at least a basket of laundry each day that needs to be folded, hung, and put away. I have a drying rack in our room that I set up in the evenings so that anything that can't or shouldn't go in the dryer can get dried overnight and they're ready for me to fold and put away in the morning. I always make sure that while I'm cleaning my room, I turn on my Roomba so that I can have vacuuming done while I'm cleaning other things. Once I've finished cleaning the master bedroom, I move on to the master bathroom. I start out by cleaning my shower, and I use my Hurricane Spin Scrubber because this just helps me get my shower clean a lot faster and without me potentially slipping and falling in the shower. I have done that cleaning it before, And this thing just saves me a potential co-payment at the emergency room. I then go in and start cleaning with a glass cleaner to clean off all of that glass. And this takes quite a bit of time, but it's well worth it. This is really only something that I do once a week, and then we just use a squeegee to keep the glass fairly clean of soap scum throughout the week. I then move on to cleaning the bathtub. For this, I also use the Hurricane Spin Scrubber. It just helps me get the bathtub clean so much faster. I then move on to cleaning off my vanity. I usually will remove all of the products at least once a week to wipe away all of the excess makeup that has gotten all over the vanity itself, just to keep it nice and clean. Now I move on to cleaning the toilet for our bathroom. I start off by using my Method toilet bowl cleaner, and I also use the Antibac spray cleaner for the toilet area. Once the toilet is clean, I move on to clean off our counters really good by using Granite cleaner, and then I use a disinfectant for our sinks, and then I'll move on and clean all of the glass and replace all of the little knickknacks. To finish the bathroom, I fill up our iRobot Brava, which is our wet mop, to mop the bathroom for me with a little bit of soap and water. And then I just simply let it do its thing while I go and clean more of my house. I then move on to the girls' bedroom to tidy up, make their beds, and get everything put back to normal. And then I will hand vacuum this room just because it's quick and easy for me to get done. Once the girls' room is all tidied up, I move down to the bathroom that we have located downstairs. This bathroom is used by everybody. It has 3 children using it and 2 adults. So as you can imagine, it being our main bathroom, it can get pretty disgusting. Again, I'm using my Hurricane Spin Scrubber to do the shower and bath, and then I'll move on to cleaning the toilet with my Method cleaners. They just seem to do a good job. The Method toilet bowl cleaner and the Method antibacterial spray for the toilet. I then go in and hand vacuum the bathroom with my cordless Ion Shark vacuum, and then I Swiffer mop. Now that the bathroom's all tidy, I move into my front room and dust off the table, and then I start to vacuum using, again, my cordless Shark Ion vacuum. Once that's complete, I will then mop the floors, but first I vacuum off all of the furniture before I start mopping. To mop my downstairs hardwood floors, I like to use the Method hardwood floor cleaner that is just pre-mixed, and you just squirt it down on the floor and mop it up with some warm water. I then move on to repeat the process of vacuuming the floors and then mopping in my kitchen area. Once my kitchen is vacuumed and mopped, I move on to my living room. I start off by cleaning my ottoman to ensure that all of the grime is just cleaned off of that wood area. I also wipe down my furniture. As you saw previously, I have a boxer who tends to slobber a lot and it gets on my furniture, so wiping it down is essential. I then go on to fixing all the couch cushions and putting them back in order, same with the chair. I'll go and vacuum the area. I will also vacuum the couch and the chair just to remove any potential dog hair. We don't allow him up on our furniture, but as with any animal, fur goes everywhere. Thank you so much for following along with me as I clean my house today. I hope that this inspired you to start getting some of your spring cleaning done. That biannually deep clean is always an important thing to do. It helps get everything cleared out, helps with allergens, makes things smell fresh and new again, and just really makes your home feel like home. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.